What is going on, guys? CasualSavage here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make an explosive transition in Sony Vegas. Now, just before I get into this video, if you'd like to request a tutorial, then be sure to leave it in the comments below or ask me on Twitter. Now, the explosion I'm using I got from Best Green Screens. You can check them out in the description and get your green screen explosion from there as well. Completely up to you where you get it from, but this is where I got the one I'm about to show you. So as you can see, I have Sony Vegas open up right now. I have already removed the green screen background, and the way you do that, you come over to video effects. If you don't see video effects, then you can simply come to View, Windows Layout, and select Default Layout. From video effects, you want to come over to Chroma Key and just drag on Default. And once you actually drag on Default, you'll be presented with this box. Where it says color, select the color box, use the color picker, and select the background, which will be green. Now, if you use the same explosion as me, you can literally copy the settings I have on screen right now, because these are the best settings I found for this type of green screen. Other people using different green screens, you may not use the same settings because it may not be the exact same look that you'll get. So from there you can X out of it, and we've removed the background successfully. The next thing you need to do is actually line it up to get the explosion on screen like this, and just line it up to the beginning. Head over to track motion, make sure lock aspect ratio is checked and scale about center is checked, and simply enlarge it a lot so it takes up the entire screen. Yes, it looks very weird now, but if we play this through, as you can see, that is what we'll be getting. So now we actually get into the transition. So I'm heading over to my projects media. I have Lou Christopher, The Waiting Game. It's actually his music video here. So I'm actually going to use it for this effect. So if I just play it through maybe about 6 seconds and split it, because then we want the transition to take place. And look for when he's changed location. Right here, goes to a desert. I'm just going to connect them back up. And what I didn't show you, what I forgot, right click your videos, properties, disable resample, and uncheck maintain aspect ratio. Do that to every piece of video you ever put into Sony Vegas. Same with the green screen, I've already done it there. And now, of course, this is where the explosion will be taking place and the transition. So at the moment, this is what it's going to look like. As you can see, just like that, he's going to change place. Obviously not the best, and that is obviously what we don't want. So we're actually going to fade it in. So we're going to left click and drag to the left. So it's going to fade, and we're also going to be fading off the explosion by about a second. So if we play this through, just like that, we've created an explosive transition. It actually turned out really nice. So just like that, change location from I guess the skipyard, junkyard, whatever you want to call it, and then explosion to a desert. It actually turned out really nice. But as you can see, it was actually very simple to do. I know loads of FIFA YouTubers actually use this effect as well, but you've just seen right there, it's actually very quick and very simple to do. Like I mentioned at the start of the video, if you'd like to request a tutorial, then be sure to leave it in the comments below or ask me on Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial has helped you. Please subscribe, rate, and peace.